Ever wondered what happens to your body when you eat pistachios every day? Let's dive into the world of this green gem, a snack that's been loved across cultures and centuries. Pistachios, the tiny powerhouses, are packed to the brim with nutrients. They're not just a mere snack, they're a rich source of protein, fiber, and a variety of essential vitamins and minerals. Now, imagine the impact of consuming this nutrient-dense snack every day. Studies suggest that the daily consumption of pistachios can have some remarkable health benefits. It can promote heart health thanks to its good fats and antioxidants. It can aid in weight management, as the fiber content keeps you feeling full for longer. And let's not forget about gut health. The fiber in pistachios is a boon for your gut, keeping your digestive system running smoothly. So the question is, what happens when you start incorporating this power-packed snack into your daily diet? Stay tuned to find out. First, let's delve into how pistachios can improve your heart health. These little green gems are powerhouses of nutrition packed with healthy fats and antioxidants. The healthy fats in pistachios are known as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. These play a crucial role in lowering LDL, or bad cholesterol levels, which is a significant risk factor for heart disease. But that's not all. The antioxidants present in pistachios, such as lutein, zeaxanthin, and various polyphenols, work their magic by reducing inflammation. Chronic inflammation is linked to many heart conditions, so by keeping this in check, pistachios help safeguard your heart. Moreover, these antioxidants promote overall cardiovascular health. They do this by protecting the delicate tissues of your heart and blood vessels from oxidative stress, a damaging process caused by free radicals. So, by eating pistachios daily, you're giving your heart a healthy boost. These nuts are not just tasty, they're a heart-healthy choice that can contribute to a long, healthy life. Now, let's move on to another impressive benefit of eating pistachios every day: weight management. Yes, you heard it right. These tiny green gems can actually help you keep your weight in check. How so? Well, pistachios are packed with fiber and protein. These essential nutrients work together to keep you feeling full and satisfied. So, instead of reaching for that bag of chips or a chocolate bar when hunger strikes, why not grab a handful of pistachios? And there's more. Ever noticed how you have to shell pistachios before eating them? This isn't just for fun. The act of shelling can actually slow down your eating, helping you savor every bite and control portion sizes. That's right, even the shell has a role to play in weight management. So, if you're looking for a snack that can help you manage your weight, pistachios could be a great choice. Finally, let's talk about how daily consumption of pistachios can support your gut health. Pistachios are a fabulous source of dietary fiber, with just a 1-ounce serving providing about 3 grams. This fiber is essential in promoting regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, and maintaining overall digestive health. But the goodness doesn't stop there. The fiber in pistachios also acts as a prebiotic, meaning it feeds the beneficial bacteria in your gut. These friendly bacteria play a crucial role in our health, aiding in everything from digestion to immune function. By munching on pistachios, you're essentially throwing a feast for these microscopic guests, encouraging their growth and diversity. Moreover, a healthy gut microbiome can potentially influence mental health, weight management, and even heart health, tying back to the previous benefits we discussed. So, when you crack open that shell, remember you're not just snacking, you're also nourishing your gut ecosystem. So it seems that eating pistachios every day can do wonders for your gut health.